Imagine a foldable that addresses all of our grievances at last. That's what the Galaxy Z Fold 8 promises. Samsung made a significant advancement with its flagship foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, just a few months ago, and the market was blown away. According to early rumors, the Fold may 8 surpass all expectations, but it still has some enormous shoes to fill. The Fold 7's battery life and charging speed were two of the main complaints, and Samsung didn't make much progress in these areas last time. However, rumors about the Fold 8 present a very different picture. According to echo chamber sources, Samsung is overhauling its internal architecture and making better use of every millimeter of space. This allows for a larger battery and quicker charging without adding bulk to the phone. These rumors suggest 45-watt wired fast charging, which is nearly twice the Fold 7's 25-watt speed, however no official figures have surfaced. The 4,400 mAh battery that Samsung's Fold series has been using for years needs to be upgraded. According to some, the Fold 8 might include a powerful 5,000 mAh battery. Samsung has demonstrated its ability to perform engineering marvels. Its first trifold, the Galaxy Z Trifold, is only 3.9 mm thin at its narrowest and has a 5,600 mAh battery with 45-watt charging. Samsung is the only company capable of bringing this enchantment to the Fold 8. This has the potential to transform the game, so fingers crossed. Samsung appears poised to make a significant impact in the foldable battle. With Apple edging closer to releasing its first foldable iPhone, 2026 is expected to be the year the corporation works harder than ever. Samsung wants more, but the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 have already shattered pre-order records in a number of countries. According to a recent Bell report that Juanos Rev on X posted, Samsung plans to sell 6.7 million foldable devices in the upcoming year. That is an increase of almost 10% over its 2025 lineup. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 is receiving the majority of Samsung's attention, and insiders predict significant improvements. With a more sophisticated form factor and a lighter, thinner design, the phone is anticipated to launch in the middle of 2026, helping Samsung maintain its lead before Apple joins the market. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.